Hello children, as we discussed that from 1950s many powerful countries of the world like USSR and USA started exploring the space, sending spacecraft to space, even sending people to space and to our nearest celestial body, to the moon. Children, India is not at all far behind. India also took this as an initiative, as a challenge, and whatever resources we had, ISRO, which is our space agency in India, started working on it. Different scientists work on it, and they were successful to launch the first spacecraft to space, which was known as Aryabhat. India's first satellite launched in the year 1975, children, and it was April 19, Aryabhat, which was named after the great astronomer of our country, Aryabhat. Aryabhat was a great astronomer, scientist, mathematician who lived in the ancient age, in the Gupta period. Guptas, the rulers were there, and you will study about him later in the history classes, in the higher class. This was the way it looked. The first satellite launched by India was Aryabhat, and its shape was like this. Okay, so children, after 1975, India launched many other spacecraft with the help of the ISRO scientists, and they are Bhaskar, Rohini, Apple, INSET 1A, INSET 1B, INSET 1C, INSET 1D, INSET 2A, 2B, 2C, 3B, 3C, 3A and 3E. These are the satellites which were sent to the space to help us in our communication system, in our communication as well as weather forecast, sending pictures for our research work, in space. From there they send pictures to us to find out about different things about the space which is not possible to see through the telescope. Children, in April 2008, India launched Cartosat, and it is Cartosat 2A, and which is a remote sensing satellite. With the help of this, the pictures were taken of the oceans to find out the cyclone. So that's way they can predict whether there will be where the cyclone is located, and the weather forecast can be done, especially our communication system, our mobile and our television network, and all these things are only possible due to these satellite system. Okay. So these are some of the satellites which were sent to space by India itself. Some of them are indigenously made in India. As you know, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the great scientist. Then we have heard about Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. They were all space scientists who worked and toiled hard to send these spacecraft from India. Our launch pad is Sriharikota, and from there the spacecraft are sent to space. Children, India also sent a spacecraft artificial spacecraft to moon, our natural satellite. The first one was called Chandrayaan the first. Chandrayaan the first was launched on 22nd of October 2008, and it orbited the moon till August 2009. So almost a year it orbited and found in information about the moon. It was Chandrayaan the first. Chandrayaan the second was launched in September 2019. Children, as you all know, that it faced some technical issue when the rover, the Vikram, the rover was about to land in the moon, and actually it was going to research on the side of the moon which had never been explored by the other spacecraft of different countries, but unfortunately due to some technical snag, this Vikram lander rover could not land, and that mission was still unsuccessful. So in this way you can understand, children, India also not far behind in space and moon, or even now India has sent spacecraft. It has launched spacecraft to Mars, Mangalyaan, and the scientists are working day and night to find information, and not only find information, children, these satellites help us in other issues. Even the satellite pictures also help us to protect our country from the enemies. As you know, they take the pictures and they find out whether any our neighboring countries are going to attack or not. So all these things, weather, telecommunication, and then natural disaster protection, means security of the country, all these are great help due to these artificial satellites. Okay, thank you, Ji.